This is Eyewitness News Breaking News.
Tapi abdi wilujeng enjing atur nuhun. Salam olahraga.
Iya, abdi rek ngedarkeun berita olahraga Kemenangan FC Barcelona atas Paris Saint-Germain.
Very early in the game. The ball was bouncing around in the box. And it's Suarez that gets the final touch. Not offside. Ball goes over the line. Suarez knew it. What a start for Barcelona.
Iniesta lets it run, then tries to chase down a Marquinhos. So he's done well, Iniesta! Oh, and it's a second goal! And it really is game on here. Calamitous defending from Paris Saint-Germain. And Barcelona, for the second time in the first half, forced the ball over the line. 2-0 on the night, 4-2 on aggregate. And PSG's enormous first leg advantage has been cut in half before the break.
Well, Kajau is the player it comes off. I'm not sure he knew too much about it. They should defend this ball. Zarate tries to dive in. Marquinhos is trying to let it run out of play. There's the big mistake. And Kajau has a big swing at it. Maybe he could have done better. Goes from his foot onto his knee and back into the net. But great persistence from Iniesta. And really Marquinhos, rather than trying to let the ball run out of play, just deal with it and get it away.
In trap, keep this one out. Messi with 10 goals in the Champions League already this season. It's Messi for Barcelona! 3-0! Stunning start to the second half. And it's unravelling for Paris Saint-Germain. They're in big trouble, leaning back on the ropes now. And Barcelona, one goal away from forcing extra time.
Well, he chose the right way, trap. But it was hit with power. He does get a hand to it, I think. Oh, he should have got a hand to it. I think he was just beaten for pace in the end.
Pressure penalty, and as ever, Messi the man for Barcelona. What a game we have on our hands here now. Real threat, Cavani! That's the goal that PSG were so desperately hoping for. And suddenly, they're feeling a whole lot better about themselves. And 4,500 Parisian supporters leap about for joy. And Barcelona have a whole lot more work to do now.
Well, they went to sleep. Rakitic gets caught out. Kajau runs forward, does really well, just to head it back down. And what technique from Cavani, outside of the right foot. He had to choose between using his left or his right, right in between the two. In the end, he goes with the outside of his right foot, hits it with power. What a strike from Cavani.
3-1 on the night, Barcelona. 5-3 on aggregate, Paris Saint-Germain. And they have an away goal, which of course Barcelona didn't manage in the first game.
Wilujeng enjing, pamangili jeung abdi, mari momen di acara Barca TV.